What are people asking? What are people actively asking? I think that's the long and short form of it. What are people asking? What solution are you bringing to what people are asking? That is the best way to optimize. So let's talk about SEO optimization for a minute, shall we? So SEO means search engine optimization. And what this does is that it helps your videos rank for search so that when viewers search for certain keywords, your videos pop up either on search or it's recommended to them along the line somewhere, somehow. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a few ways that you can optimize your videos for search. One of the ways to optimize your videos for search is to use the YouTube search bar drop down. You can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So I'm going to show you just those three. Okay, you can also use Google Trends, which is very, very good as well. So let's go to my computer and I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube drop down. Okay, so let's go. Let me record my screen. Okay, so imagine that you have come to YouTube. Why is my recording? Okay, so this is YouTube now, and we're going to click on SEO, okay, optimization. So you can see the drop down has shown you everything that people are searching: SEO optimization tutorials, SEO optimization WordPress, SEO optimization Shopify, SEO optimization Etsy, Squarespace, Wix, Fiverr, Shopify, YouTube, and all of that. So this is what people are searching for. Okay, so you're going to find the one that resonates with your niche. For example, mine is SEO optimization tutorial and SEO on YouTube. Okay, and that is what you're going to use to record your videos. Okay, another one that you can use, like I said, is TubeBuddy. So I have these extensions here. You can download them and install them on your computer, the extension. You can also use them on your mobile device. Okay, so you're going to click on TubeBuddy and do Keyword Explorer. All right, so when you do Keyword Explorer, you're going to come here and say SEO. It has a drop down as well, but I want to use optimization. Okay, so that we can see. And TubeBuddy is just going to show you how that will rank. Okay, so TubeBuddy is telling us that this is good. All right, that means there is a decent amount of competition, but this keyword is searched so often, so it is worth targeting. Okay, so you can use it. All right, if we use SEO optimization tutorial, let's see how that ranks. Okay. Also the same thing, YouTube SEO optimization tutorial. Let's see how that ranks. You see, as TubeBuddy keeps suggesting new ones, and this is excellent. Can you see? So this keyword is not too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So when I'm making my videos, the keywords that I want to be using is SEO search optimization tutorial. Okay. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use it in most of my my title, my description, and I'm going to say it as well in the first sentences of my video. Okay, so you want to optimize your keyword usage. Okay, you want to use these words in your primary first keywords in your video. So when you start your video, let people know that is what you're talking about, and that is why it is important to go straight to the point, right, when you start to create your videos. Okay, so another one is your video title optimization. It is important to now put those keywords and include them in your title. Okay, now let your title be between like 30 to 70 characters. Don't make it like extremely long. All right, include the target keywords in there naturally, right? So you want to create curiosity as well with your titles. For example, use titles like maybe top 5 SEO methods, or top 5 travel methods, or top 5 growth techniques. And another thing I want you to, there are power words with YouTube. A lot of people don't know, but there are power words with YouTube, and those power words is best, easy, and how to. So the best way to optimize for search, an easy way to optimize for search, or how to optimize for search. Those are YouTube power words. Okay, include those 3 power words, one of them in your next video, and tell me how that works, and make sure the video is according to that. Another one is your description optimization. You now want to make sure the first 150 characters of your description, even though there are some of my videos that I do not have long descriptions on them, but they still do well. But make sure that you're using your description box effectively and making sure that it's keyword rich. Okay, add those keywords. Okay, and also add a call to action, ask viewers to subscribe, and all of that. Another one will be the video tags. Okay. So you want to make sure that you're incorporating these keywords in your video, like I said before, like how to, for example, let's say how to grow on YouTube, right? Make sure that it's in your keywords, in your tags. And you guys know how to tag your videos up, right? But if you don't know how to tag your videos, let us go into my screen now, and I'm going to show you how to tag your videos. So I'm going to just go ahead and record my screen again. All right. So we're going to go into our videos. All right. And I'm going to show you where the tag is. So if you scroll all the way down, right, all the way down, you can see these are the tags. It says tags. A lot of people don't know it's there, but it's there. So that is how to get your tags. So go to YouTube, go to the videos. Like I told you guys before, you can go to the videos, copy the tags, use TubeBuddy, use vidIQ. vidIQ will automatically show you video tags. Okay. And then you can copy the tags to your own video tags. Okay. Another thing is your thumbnails. Okay. Make sure that they're eye catchy. Okay. And also use your keywords in your thumbnail, right? Make sure your texts are readable and all of that. And, that is very, very important because that would attract your viewers to click. Okay. So another thing to optimize. A lot of people think that SEO is just the words, the keywords and all of that, but it's a lot of things. Okay. So audience retention, like I told you guys before, make sure you hook your audience in the first 10 seconds. Keep your videos informative so that people can stick around, okay, to watch your videos. But overall, I'm telling you the truth. Value is the best SEO that you can ever provide, that you can ever use for your videos. Once you provide values and people are watching your videos and staying on there, right, YouTube automatically will start to recommend your videos to people during search. So make sure when you're creating your videos, when you're titling your videos, when you're during your ideation time, make sure that you're thinking about something that people are asking. Okay, not just you're not just making videos or titles just for the sake of it. What are people asking? What are people actively asking? I think that's the long and short form of it. What are people asking? What solution are you bringing to what people are asking? That is the best way to optimize. I want to answer questions. That is the long and short of SEO optimization. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.